You believe your doctor misdiagnosed your condition, and now you want to know whether or not you have a valid basis for a case. Let me share with you one question that I need to know anytime you call with a possible case involving a misdiagnosis. Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from Orlando, Florida. I'm at a seminar and I have a few minutes to share this great information with you. Now, in a failure to diagnose case or a misdiagnosis case, the one key question that I always want to know is, if your condition had been timely diagnosed and treated at the time, would your outcome or prognosis be any different? Now, why is that important? Because I need to know the difference between what your current condition is now, what treatment you can have now, and what you would have had if this was diagnosed much earlier in time. And why is that significant? Because anytime we bring a medical malpractice lawsuit for misdiagnosis, we have to show to the court, to the jury, that there is a clear difference between what would have happened months earlier, years earlier, compared to what did happen and the problems you're going through now. There could have been an instance where earlier diagnosis and treatment means that you would have had less invasive treatment. There may have been an instance where you would only need a small surgery and you would not have needed chemotherapy or radiation. And in a failure to diagnose cancer case, you may no longer be eligible to have surgery performed. In fact, you may only be eligible for radiation or chemotherapy. And there are even some instances where you wouldn't even be eligible for that. So the key question that I always want to know is, how is the outcome or prognosis different today than what it would have been if this was timely diagnosed? You know, I recognize you have questions or concerns about your own matter involving a failure to diagnose. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski coming to you from Orlando, Florida. Have a wonderful day.